This is Financial Accent. Welcome to the video. Today we take a look at how to pronounce Special Purpose Acquisition Company. So, when we say Special Purpose Acquisition, so between the SE and the A, we can do some catenation, meaning we join the sounds. We join the sounds of the E in purpose and the A in acquisition. So we can join those words together. And in linguistics, this phenomenon of joining sounds together, this is called catenation. So we end up saying is special purpose acquisition, not special purpose acquisition. We don't want to be jumping between words, so we want to be joining them. Special Purpose Acquisition Company, or SPAC.